Let's have some fun in the kitchen while we're stuck at home.
We have a full day of recipes for you to try. Let's get started right now. Hi, I'm Kenny Loy. I'm a certified nutritionist. I've been helping people with their health since 1999.
And hi, I'm Joann Loy, and I'm a certified raw vegan chef, and we like to remake comfort foods in a healthy way.
And today we remade these comfort foods all raw and vegan. So we're going to show you a typical raw vegan day for us.
We started our day with a delicious smoothie bowl. This one has frozen pineapple, mangoes, and strawberries. I like to decorate them with fresh berries like strawberries and blackberries, and sometimes I put raspberries or blueberries also. And also with dried goji berries and coconut flakes. Be sure to download our free 5-day meal plan, which has 5 of these smoothie bowl recipes. And check out our video on making these smoothie bowl recipes in the description below. We like to eat breakfast in our sunroom and watch the birds in the backyard. We travel a lot, and Kenny likes to get miniature lighthouses of the ones we visit. I painted and distressed this hutch to match the sunroom and also to hold all my little beach trinkets. We call this my she shed, but it really just has gardening and yard work tools. Fun, huh? If you haven't guessed our theme by now, the beach is our happy place. We have been to so many beaches since we've been married. We collect sand bottles from every beach we visit, and yes, it's real sand from the actual beaches. There's just no better place. This room is a memorial to my parents. They taught me the beauty and love of nature and the outdoors, so we built the sunroom in their honor. I must have been a mermaid in another life, haha.
After breakfast, I head to my office to work at home these days. I really love it. I love being with Joann 24/7. For lunch, we're having a raw soup and salad. We put tomatoes, red peppers, onions, cucumbers, spinach, avocado, lime juice, water, salt and pepper in a Vitamix and let it go until the soup is warm, being careful to keep it below 118 degrees Fahrenheit. What healthy meals are you preparing at home? Let us know in the comments below. 96 degrees was plenty warm enough. This soup was thick, savory, and fresh. Very good. We had a strawberry spinach salad with a store-bought raw Mediterranean salad dressing. We ordinarily make our own dressing, but we saw this at the health food store and decided to try it. It's excellent. Back to work. I mentioned in my Monday Juice Fast vlog when I gave you a tour of my work office that you should see my home office with all my sci-fi knickknacks. Well, here they are. Joann gave me a trophy for being the #1 worldwide best of all pest. My proudest moment. As you can see, I like Doctor Who, old and new. Joann got me this shadow box to hold our movie tickets from our date nights. We love to go see movies, and any sci-fi geek has to have at least one Star Wars poster. This bookcase holds my Bible study books and nutrition books. We keep the dehydrator in my office since it's kind of loud and takes up a lot of room. And yes, Spidey's my favorite superhero, as you'll see on the other side of the room. This is my certification in nutrition. Gotta love Spidey. And more books. I like history from the war between the states, mystery, and fantasy. Good old Indiana Jones. More Bible study books. And a good sci-fi geek also has to show some love to Star Trek. This sign will probably live on in our culture. Gotta follow the 6-foot rule. Be sure and download 20 tips for buying groceries on a budget in the description below. We grabbed some groceries to be able to make dinner and dessert tonight and other meals over the next week.
So we're making raw zucchini noodles with raw marinara for dinner. We use a spiralizer, but you can use a mandolin or julienne them. The full recipe is in our free 5-day meal plan, and you can download it in the description below. Stick around until the end and see what we had for dessert. And you don't want to miss the bloopers either. We couldn't stop laughing. Blend the ingredients in a Vitamix or a high-speed blender. And pour it on the zoodles after you have salted and drained them well. Feel free to chop up some red onions and peppers for more flavor. This is one of Kenny's favorite meals. For the raw carrot cake bites, we use gluten-free rolled oats, shredded carrots, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, vanilla, pitted and soaked medjool dates, and water if needed. These are low fat since we purposely did not use nuts for this delicious dessert. Use a food processor to make the oats into a flour. Add in the carrots, vanilla, and spices. While processing, add in dates one at a time. If the mixture is too dry, add water in slowly until you get the desired consistency. I used about 1/8 of a cup this time. Roll parts of the dough into small bite-sized balls like donut holes. Since the dough is sticky, wet your hands while handling it. Feel free to roll some or all of them in coconut flakes. Freeze for about 2 hours before eating and keep leftovers in the freezer. There's no need to thaw them, they're perfect frozen.
Now for the macronutrients for the day. Today was 72% carbohydrates, complex whole carbs of course. Fats were only 16%, so this was a low fat day. Only 12% protein, which is usual for us. No more than that is needed. See my video for more information. For the micronutrients, notice that our fiber was more than double the RDA. We should all eat more fiber. The fats were mostly omega-3 fatty acids. Most of us are deficient in these. Avocados and flax seeds are high in them. Plant-based foods contain plenty of protein and all the essential amino acids. Also notice that every vitamin and mineral is supplied in abundance.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. We upload videos every week with healthy tips and recipes to get you to your best health yet.
Oh, and don't forget to tell them to download that free 5-day meal plan.
Well, you just did.
Oh, yeah, well, okay. Thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget to tell them to download the free... No.
Wait a minute.
It's so cute, I can't stand it.